It's so important that young women enter the field of engineering and manufacturing because we bring a really interesting perspective to it. We can do just what men do, but sometimes there's this little twist of empathy and the compassion and can listen and advise people in no way other than a woman can, really.
Be confident in your skills and abilities. You know, women can do anything that men can do, and if it's something that you have an aptitude for and you're really good at it, go for it.
In order to get more women involved in engineering and manufacturing, I think it's going to be STEM programs and mentorship. I mean, seeing other women do it gives others the motivation that they can do it as well. And I think it's critical that they see that there are women thriving in manufacturing today.
You know, male, female, different backgrounds. You want to get a very big, wide variable of people, especially females in the industry. They're all going to bring different aspects to what happens on a day-to-day basis.
I have 2 children at home. I do feel like that I am a role model for my 2 daughters by working in a manufacturing environment. I feel that the work and the job that I do kind of sets the tone for them, that they can do anything that they want, and if there's a career choice that they have, any path or any option is open to them.
You can do it. You can be whatever you want to be. Don't hold back. Don't be intimidated. The world is yours.
Don't be scared of it. Don't be intimidated by it. I sit in rooms full of men. It's me and a bunch of guys most of my day. And they all respect me and take my opinion like it's their own. So I can be intimidating, but don't let it intimidate you.
Anything is possible. If you've got the skills and ability and the desire to pursue that career, then it's available to you. Don't hold back, have that confidence, and go for it.